Do I need to visualize my subliminals? I have a dream that all... No, you do not need to visualize while listening to my subliminals unless if it's a desire subliminal. And I can't speak for all subliminal creators, but from my, perspective, yes. Unless if it says desired results, then no, you don't have to. And like I said, I can't speak for all the subliminal creators, but my subliminals, if it's not desired results, you don't need to listen and visualize at the same time. No. If it's not a desire subliminal, the affirmations are written to just keep growing and growing and evolving, your results. The more and more you listen to it. So, no, you don't need to visualize. The affirmations are automatically going to just keep compounding your results, and your results are going to just, manifest and then keep growing and growing. And they're all permanent too. So, no, you don't need to visualize. Now, if it's a desire subliminal and you have a specific, point or goal, then yes, you can visualize. But I truly don't believe in just focusing on what you're wanting to achieve. It's a very dangerous thing. It puts you into a point of desperation where you have no leverage or you have no opening for growth or natural, allowing and receiving to occur. So, yes, I don't recommend them, but people were requesting the visualization ones, and hey, I'm not going to stop you if that's what you really want. And then hey, maybe some people know how to visualize correctly with those subliminals, but I don't recommend it. And I'm sorry, I'm watching my suckerfish floating or swimming on its back backwards while it's sucking the plant. So no, like I said, so this is the answer, as I said. And a lot of us, like to listen to, music or watch Netflix while you listen to your subliminal, and this is why, it's better just to listen to a subliminal, like I said, and let the results just compound and grow over time. The beautiful manifestation of subliminals, the beautiful natural growth from the subconscious mind and within your beautiful soul. Have a beautiful and marvelous day.